Hello everyone, today I will show you how to move PDF pages in a PDF file using Nitro Pro. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro. Now click on this page thumbnail and click on this page and select. Now drag your mouse cursor and move your page up and see this. This page now move up, and also I'll move this page as last page and drag it down and see this page now move. Also I'll move this one and see this. Also I'll move this page as first page and move it up, again up, and see this. In this way you can move your pages in a PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.